In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to set up a lock for your WhatsApp web account when you're using it on your laptop or your PC. Okay, this is a security feature to ensure privacy 100% when you are using WhatsApp on your laptop. So in order for you to do this, just log into your WhatsApp web and then just click on the settings gear icon out here. Click on privacy and then you scroll right down, select app lock and then switch this on. You get an option to enter a password. Enter a password out here that you could remember. Once you do that, click on OK. And then it's going to ask you after how long you would want the application to be locked on your desktop. If you want to, automatically get it locked after 1 minute, select 1 minute. After 15 minutes, select 15 minutes. After 1 hour, select 1 hour. After 8 hours, select 8 hours. So I would suggest select 1 minute because this is the best thing to do. If you are in a hurry, it's going to auto lock for you. Or what you could also do is when you are going away from your computer screen, you could go ahead and lock it yourself. So in order for you to lock it yourself manually, click on the option out here. You get a drop down menu, click on lock app, and your application on the desktop is going to get locked like this. And your messages on WhatsApp is not going to be read by anybody else. So when you want to re-log in, just enter the password, click on unlock, and you're going to gain access to your WhatsApp account again. Hope this helps. Take care, my friend.